Bom dia! Hoje vamos aprender a escrever e pronunciar os países em português. Today we're going to learn to name and pronounce the names of countries in Portuguese. And there is a little exercise that we are going to do, and we're going to match these numbers in the boxes with the names here. And these are the flags of 19 countries. This is Portugal. So Portugal. So what does it say? Escreva o nome do seu país em português. Write the name of your country in Portuguese. Over here I put Portugal. Portugal. So escreva o nome do seu país em português. Write the name of your country in Portuguese. Exercise B is faça a correspondência entre os mapas, the maps, e os nomes dos países. Make the correlation between the maps and the names of the countries. Over here you have the names of the countries. Over here you have the maps. Okay? So we're going to start with this box here. And I already did the exercise, okay? And so we're going to start here. And box number 2 is the Portuguese flag. So Portugal, and I put number 2. O número 2. Okay? Espanha. Espanha. Spain. Espanha. Italia. 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 Here's the put of Italy. Italia. França. França. Number 6. França. Notice that it has the C with a little cedilha, which is that little comma, for the sound S. Otherwise, it would be pronounced Franca. So França. Okay, same thing here. Faça, it would be faca without that, which means knife. So faça is a verb to make. Faça. Faça, make. Okay, so important to understand this little comma here, or cedilha. Moving on. Inglaterra, England, Inglaterra, 14. Inglaterra. A Suécia, or Suécia, 19. 19. Suécia. Alemanha. Alemanha. That simply means the Germany. So Alemanha is just a country. They're putting this here, meaning it's feminine, I believe. So they put the A here to let you know it's feminine. So Suécia. Alemanha. Polonia, or Apollonia. Okay, so if you're referring to Polonia in a sentence, you would say Apollonia fica na Europa. Okay, Polony is in Europe. Okay, Apollonia fica na Europa. Or what country you're from, qual é o teu país? Polónia. A Polónia. A Rússia, ou Rússia. 18. Está a Rússia. Okay. A Ucrânia, ou Ucrânia. 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 Grécia. 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 Os Estados Unidos. 17. Os Estados Unidos. O Brasil. Então, Brazil is masculine. See, there's O. Over here, Estados Unidos, apparently, masculine as well, but in the plural. Estados Unidos, United States. Os Estados Unidos. O Brasil, Brasil, 9. O México, México. Marrocos, Marrocos. Okay, número 12. Angola, Angola. Número 7. Angola. A China, ou simplesmente China, China. 8. O Japão, Japão. Japan, 5. A Índia, 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 4. So don't get confused with the O and the okay? This is just, if you have it in a sentence, sometimes you have to use or O, and this, but the country itself is just Italia, Itália, França, Inglaterra, Suécia, Alemanha, Polónia, Rússia, Ucrânia, Grécia, Estados Unidos, Brasil, México, Marrocos, Angola, China, Japão, India. Okay? So when you use it in a sentence, sometimes you have to say the, you have to know that these countries are either masculine or feminine, and so sometimes you have to use the o. If it's masculine, in this case, Brazil would come with o. We would not say o Brasil. We would not say a Brasil. We would say o Brasil. Okay? Or ele é do Brasil. He's from Brazil. We wouldn't say ele é de Brasil. Okay? So Brazil is masculine. Mexico is masculine. Okay? China is feminine. Japan, masculine. India, feminine. So Portuguese can be very confusing because of these masculine and feminine, and in the US, everything is it. So it makes it a little bit easier. So we're going to do a very quick exercise here, and then we're going to finish. So we're going to do this little exercise. Sorry about that. We're going to zoom in a little bit. There you go. And so basically, what does it say? Ouça e leia os diálogos. So listen and read the dialogues. A seguir, afterwards, faça a correspondência com as imagens. Make the correlation with the images. So let's just look at these images. So if you're taking an exam, always look at the images to see what is it telling you before even understanding anything. And these people are talking about those people, asking, oh, who are they, or where are they from, something, okay? Because he's pointing back. She's pointing as well. And these people are talking to each other as a group, in a group, okay? This is just two people. So we're going to listen, read this, and then try and figure out what to put here. Is it 1, 2, or 3? Okay, so let's read. De onde são eles? De onde são eles? Where are they from? De onde, where from? De onde means where from. São eles. Eles is them, and são is the verb to be. So where are they from? Okay, so obviously they're asking about somebody else, so it's this one. Has to be. Where are they from? São do Brasil. They're from Brazil. See, Brazil is masculine. They are from do. See? D-O, it ends in an O. So Brazil is masculine. So going back here, see how they have the O here. Back on this page here. Let me see. O Brasil. Brazil, o Brazil, farther down a little bit here. See, o Brazil, o. So it's important to notice these little things and pay attention. So Brazil is masculine. So over here on this exercise, we are saying that they are, the answer is they're from Brazil. So do Brazil, from Brazil, do, not the Brazil, do Brasil, okay? De onde são eles? São do Brasil. So over here in this box, I would put over here, I would put here. So I put a number 1 here because this dialogue goes with this. Okay? So if you're on an exam, just notice these little, pay attention to the images. So moving on to this one. Vocês, that means you in plural. Okay? Você, without the S, would be just you. But vocês is a very form of saying you. Okay? You could say os senhores, as senhoras, if you weren't familiar with the person. But if you are, you can just say vocês. It's like saying you in a very informal way. Vocês são de Inglaterra? Não, somos de Alemanha. So obviously, vocês, plural. Someone is asking, are you from Inglaterra? But in the plural. Okay? So it's got to be this one. Vocês são de Inglaterra? Não, somos da Alemanha. We're not from England, we're from Germany. Alemanha is Germany. Okay, so B here, number 2. Yes? Now, moving on to this one, this box here. De onde é? So notice the verb here. É is the verb to be. I am, you are, he is, right? She is. De onde é? Eu sou. I am. Tu és. You are. Ele é. He is. É. De onde é? Nós somos. Vocês são. Vós sois ou vocês são. This is the plural. Okay, so this is singular. De onde é? Where are you from? So now we're looking at these people. Where are you from? Sou da Grécia. De onde é? Sou da Grécia. So over here, we put a number 3. And that completes our exercise for today. Até a próxima. Till next time.